Don't bite me, please. I just want to pet you. You big monster. Look at his little lips move. Yeah. Oh. Let him nibble on your fingers. It's so sweet. Nibble on my fingers. He'll do it. He's trying. Oh! Does it scare you? Oh, I felt his tooth and that scared me. Quit. Hi. You look like the black sheep of the family. You're the sweet. The words I use don't make sense, but it's okay. Want to go pet the donkeys? Donkeys, yes. Bye, Samson. Bye, Mabel. Where's Bambi? Lily over there. Bambi. Where's Lily? Lily's somewhere out there. Just got done taking a crap. Oh, Nick. Reverse or go down there and turn around and go to Blue Jeans and Peggy. Bye, Samson.
Oh, it's off.
I know, that's why I've been vlogging. Look at him coming! Come on, Blue! The boys Blue Jeans and the girls Peggy. Come on! Hey guys! Hey baby boy! So sweetie. He doesn't know you, he wants to sniff you. Oh, sniffy. He's got grass in his mouth. Oh! Yes, that's my hand. Peggy's like, where's my attention? Oh. He's like, nope. Ew, you're dirty. Oh my god, you've got crazy eyes though. Hey, can I pet you? No, let me pet you. Oh, so soft. Just talking. Peggy. Hi, Peggy Poo. That sunset is so pretty, isn't it? My camera won't even focus on it. It's so pretty. Ignore me, that's cool.